if I have a group of balls and I tried to describe what happened when I threw other balls on them, maybe I will use the words like force, work, energy and speed. متهيألي مطلوب مني دلوقتي عشان أقدر أفسر اللي هيحصل إن أنا أستخدم كلمات زي كلمة force وكمان كلمة work and energy and speed. لازم أستخدم الكلمات دي في تفسير اللي هيحصل. Let's start. When I hold the ball up, I pull it. So what did I do? That's right, I have done work. And when I threw it in a forceful way, what kind of energy did I use? The pushing force. So the potential energy that the ball had at the beginning, when I lift it, become ready to do work. Therefore, its energy will transform into other form. Can you guess what it is? That's right, kinetic energy, طاقة الحركة. Also, if I pushed the same ball with a greater force, it would move faster. And when its speed increases, another thing would increase. هو إيه؟ Exactly, the kinetic energy increase. And it will affect more balls. Like what happened in bowling. If we thought for a while, you can find many examples where you can use what you have learned about energy, force, speed to know what happens to objects when they collide with each another.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.